what are the things that we need to accomplish? Here, we have 1 to 10. There's only 1 to 8. 9 to 10, next page.
Yeah, first one I finished.
I explain later, okay? How to do this thing. Actually, it's just the continuation of 1 and 2, okay? So let me show you first before I share to you the PDF. Okay, listen carefully. Stop playing with the keyboard first. Okay, so number 1 and 2 are clear with everybody, isn't it? Okay, just to confirm. Wait. Number 1, 2. Wait. Okay, here. For number 1 and 2, all you have to do is to follow the instructions, like to follow the direction in formulating a major scale, like whole, half, whole, and half. And then you have to state how many, you have to write how many sharps or flat are needed to complete this major scale. And then you have to specify what are those, okay? And then number 2, the second one is just the same, but the thing is, the major scale are scattered. So it's up to you to choose whether if you're going to use the sharps or the flat. Is it clear? Okay, so this is 1 and 2, page 1 and 2, or worksheet 1 and 2. Next, we have 3. Here, it's almost the same, but the major scales are written in a table. So all you have to do is to accomplish these tables. Depends on the first note. Meaning, what letter is written on the first column, that is the major scale required. For example, A flat. Okay? So what are the notes located in formulating an A flat major scale? Okay? So it says the same with the first and the second. Next. Number 4. Okay? Almost the same. But here you have to specify. Okay, for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5th note. So if this is my 5th note, what could be the rest of the notes written in this given column and row? Okay? So you must specify. Next, this is the key signatures worksheet. Keys and key signature. How shall we know? Good morning, Kyle.
Good
morning.
Knowing or after accomplishing the major scales from page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4, now this is much easier for you. For example, what key has 4 sharps in A? Remember to follow the steps. It's W, W, H, W, 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 and A. W stands for whole, and A stands for half.
背了好像。
背了呀，我都不用看，我知道啊。
So you have to check. Did you follow the step, the procedure? From D to E, is it whole step? Yes? Yes? E to F sharp, is it whole?
It's a hole.
Yeah, it's a whole, right? And then whole, half. So from F sharp to G sharp, is it whole or half? I think it's a whole. Hey, look at this. F to G, it's a whole, right? But this is F sharp going to G sharp, meaning it's a whole, but you need only half. So instead of G sharp, you put in G only. So erase the sharp. Can you still erase it?
Look at my work.
Just erase the G sharp and everything will be full erasing. You may remove your name, put it under. Okay, just remove the sharp. If not, then just download a piano or keyboard, then try to finish it at home. Send to me when you are done, okay? Almost time. Let's go.
I am Jane Yeon from Republic of Korea. I'm in 7th grade MYP 2. In music, we are currently learning about major scales using key concepts of relationship and skills of self-management. More than activities, I like our class discussion itself. Though I'm not talented in music, I enjoy learning new things. It's fun. In this unit, we are developing thinking and communication skills. We develop the skills by answering teachers' questions such as, what do you think will be the next note to continue the scale? We are using IB Learner profile of thinkers and communicators while answering questions and activities. I get stuck while learning and answering activities, but I ask teacher and try to overcome it by practicing.
I'm Claudia Go from Republic of Korea. What we're currently learning is the major skill. Global is self-management skill and relationship. The part that I enjoy is the assignment that teacher gives. Thinking and communication skill. Thinking and communication skill. The communication with teacher and thinking about the assignment. When teacher told me to play piano, it was hard. The teacher teach me how to do it.